Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Evershine. This is Nandvi. So I thought let's come up with something today which people have been browsing all through the internet and it's trending over online marketing. So that's nothing but immunity booster, multivitamins and supplements. So we cannot have an alternate for supplement except for our food, but for immunity booster, we do have. So today we are going to see something which is very useful and easily available in your kitchen and a few things from your garden. Yes. So let's get into the video, see what all we need to do that and what is it. Before entering into my kitchen and looking at the ingredients, just to let you know, I have put in all those ingredients in the description box for you so that you don't miss out on any of them. And I would not prefer to substitute any of them unless you do not have them readily available. But if you don't, just skip them and look for an alternate. Just let me know in the comment section if you feel that you don't know the alternate, and I'm here to help you. So now let's go in. So these are the main ingredients that you would need. This is ajwain, which is bishop seeds. In Tamil you call it vomam. This is pepper, black pepper, and you need a small slice of ginger and then half a lemon. Do not throw the lemon peel. I would use that as well along with the lemon juice because that's equivalently powerful in giving you a good detoxification property. And then a few cloves and then cinnamon seed, the cinnamon which is called pattai or dalchini in Hindi, and this is om leaf, the ajwain leaf itself. So if you have the leaf you can use, else you can use the seeds, and this is basil, tulsi. So along with this I am going to add even turmeric at the end when I give a boil to the water. So now let's see after crushing all these ingredients in a mortar and pestle. I have added all these ingredients except for lemon inside this mortar. Make sure that you wash the tulsi leaves and the ajwain leaves thoroughly before you can use this, and do not add water. If you do not have a mortar and pestle, you can grind it in your mixie jar as well. Whichever is convenient, you can use that option. Now I have grinded all of them to a good texture. It is little watery because of the tulsi leaf and then ginger. They all drain little water. So you can transfer this into 2 glass of water. I'm using it for 2 people. So based on the number of people you are going to serve, you can increase the quantity of all these ingredients. I have transferred all the crushed ingredients into this bowl and added around 2 to 2.5 glass of water, and I have sliced the lime, and you can see that I have added the peel as well. So now I'll add the lime juice that I have taken out and let this come to a good boil for around 15 to 20 minutes and keep it in sim or low to medium flame. You can see that now it has already started boiling. It takes around 15 minutes as I said, and I can already see the bubbles and also the aroma of ginger and ajwain coming out. So the color also changes, guys. So if you feel that this is a little bitter, you can add a little bit of honey to it, maybe a spoon of honey. I will turn off the flame and strain it into 2 cups. Ta-da! This is where we are with our final drink ready to consume, and the smell is very different and a very strong aromatic smell that you get out of vomam tulsi mixed together, and the taste is very much similar to the kashayam which our grandparents used to give us when we are having cold or cough or fever when we were small. So it's a very healthy drink, and I would suggest to drink it when it is hot and not to add anything else to this, because this is the complete natural extract, and do not store this drink. If you would definitely have some of these ingredients crushed or the grinded ingredients left. I would say add little bit water to this and let it be inside, and boil that water again maybe once or twice a day and consume it. And if not, leave it overnight, and the next day early morning in empty stomach you can add little water to this boil and then consume that, which is super healthy for you. So now let's talk about the benefits. So I can think of mainly 3 to 4 benefits. Number one is immunity. So you might have heard or experienced that when you are having fever or cold, your grandmom or mom would have got you kada. We call that kada in Hindi, and in Tamil we say kashayam. So it's exactly that, guys. So we are just trying to modulate by adding a few more healthy ingredients to make it by a perfect or an ideal treatment for cold and fever. So it helps in boosting your immunity because all these ingredients are loaded with antioxidant, and it also has antifungal, antibacterial properties. So it helps in fighting the bacteria and helps to heal your respiratory tract and helps to heal the breathing issues or cold and flu that you have. And the second thing is it is a wonderful drink for your digestive system and also for people who complain for acidity and gastric very often. So the ingredients such as ginger, pepper and omum, that is the bishop seeds, are extremely helpful in clearing your acidity, gastric, and helps to streamline your digestion. Okay, so this is the best drink that I myself prefer. I try taking ginger whenever I feel that I am having acidity or gastric. So it's a wonderful medicine. And the third thing is weight loss. So I do have cinnamon seed in this and lemon. So these two are perfect combination together for a weight loss. But you have to be very regular and you have to drink this every day, maybe in empty stomach right in the morning. That's what I prefer. So if you do this, all the additional stubborn fat that you have around your hip area, on your thighs or on your hands, so all of them would gradually start dissolving. So the fat over those areas which is deposited starts getting dissolved. So it is really a very helpful dose for reducing your weight. And finally, it's a wonderful detox routine as well. So the lemon in it helps in cleansing your body. It helps to detox by removing or flushing out all the toxins in your body when you consume it every day in the morning. So one drink and it has kind of 4 to 5 different added advantage. So I would recommend to keep this as one of your health routine to make sure that you are strong, fit and healthy. So I will see you with another video next Saturday or Sunday, and do let me know if you like this video, if you like this remedy, and please do try it and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Until the next video, take care.